Hi guys, it's Zach with ProLine Range Hoods. I hear you're in the market for a range hood. That's great because today we're going to be discussing your options when it comes to kitchen ventilation, and I'm going to go over the best fits for your guys' home based on budget and style. So you know you need a range hood, but you're unsure which direction to go. Well, there are a couple steps that you can take preemptively to ensure a perfect planning process and make sure there's no hiccups along the way. First, what size range hood do you need? So be ready to measure your cooktop or your standing range so we can identify the size of hood you'll need in your home. Second, you're going to need to know how much CFM your range hood will need, and that's completely dependent upon how you use your range hood in your kitchen at home and the style of cooking that you use to determine how much power you'll need to remove that smoke and air from your space. And lastly, you'll need to decide whether you need a ducted or a ductless setup, and that's just going to depend on whether you want to vent the air outside of your home or maybe use a recirculating kit. There are multiple options when it comes to the range hood styles that we offer. Now, you will need a specific one of these options. Maybe you cook over an island or up against a wall or maybe under your cabinetry. We will have timestamps below for each of these applications, but firstly, let's start with our island range hoods. Island range hoods are designed for kitchens with cooktops on an island. They're going to be mounted to your ceiling, capturing smoke and pollutants from all four sides of the range hood. They're a great choice for a centerpiece in your kitchen if you want to combine not only style, but also functionality. And when selecting a size, you want to make sure that you go at least 6 inches wider than your cooktop, just so that can make the capture area most efficient. We have sizes from 24 all the way up to 60 inches and blower options all the way up to 2000 CFM. And also, if you guys want ducted or ductless options, we have both. Whether you want a more classic stainless steel look, sharp or round edges, or maybe even a tempered glass finish, there really is so many options. So now all you need to do is pair the performance that you need with the budget that fits you best. Next up is our wall-mounted range hoods. These will be installed directly above your standing range or your cooking surface. Most of our customers use these when there's no cabinets above the range hood or the cabinets have been removed. These are very popular due to their sleek, professional appearance with a wide variety of styles, and because it's a wall, it actually helps direct that smoke, grease, and heat up into the range hood. Our wall range hoods offer multiple color options, so maybe you're looking for white or black, even tempered glass to match your kitchen aesthetic. You guys can check out our website to see our full list of options. We also have under cabinet range hoods. Now, all under cabinet range hoods are wall range hoods, but not all wall range hoods are under cabinet. And like our wall hoods, we do have some of the same sizing options from 30 all the way up to 60 inches, and we still offer up to 2000 CFM. But if you guys are looking for a more low profile look to fit under your cabinetry, our under cabinet range hoods are going to be perfect. You can also choose to use a recirculating kit with your under cabinet range hood, and that makes it a ductless option. So if you're someone like me who lives in an apartment, you guys can't vent the air outside, the recirculating kit's a great option to still use your cooking space and do any type of cooking you guys want. It's just going to make sure it can clean and recirculate that air so it's not being trapped inside of your space. Now let's specifically focus on our outdoor range hoods. Now, more than 10 years ago, ProLine created the very first barbecue range hood, specifically designed for outdoor use. These are a combined group of all of our different range hood styles using our premium 304 stainless steel, ensuring maximum durability and weather resistance. These range hoods are perfect for ventilating your outdoor kitchen space and removing any smoke and odor where your friends and family gather. Lastly, our range hood inserts, also referred to as a liner or a blower insert. You guys might have seen these in showroom kitchens before, or just with custom cabinetry, people put their inserts inside. But you guys are still going to get all your access to your controls, your lights, your filters, as well as the blower, except it's just going to be inside a custom enclosure. These are designed to give you a custom look, pro ventilation, and trusted build quality without sacrificing any of your design concepts. For our sizing options of our inserts, it is a little bit different than our standard range hood. So if you're looking for a 30-inch model, you actually want to go with our 28-inch option. And we do have different sizes from 28 all the way up to 58-inch inserts. But the reason there's that 2-inch difference is because our inserts go inside of this enclosure. And as you guys can see here, there's a little bit of a difference, so the insert can sit nicely. So if you guys are looking for that 30-inch model, just make sure you go 2 inches less than whatever you need, because it will be designed like that for you at home. There really are so many options to choose from, and here at ProLine, we have it all. If you guys still need help selecting your perfect range hood, contact our customer support team. We're happy to answer any of your questions, and check out our full catalog at ProLineRangeHoods.com, where you'll find your perfect range hood. Thank you guys so much for watching.